So, when people hear about online or digital business, many think the biggest fear is legitimacy. But honestly, for me, uh, but before that, para sa itong giingon ni Dong Ryan nga, losing money. But honestly, for me, that wasn't my fear. So, unsa man akong fear? It wasn't really that losing money because I trusted my mentor very well. The one who presented to me this business very, very credible and has integrity. So my fears came later during the process itself. So dihan ako naghadlok-hadlok. Nadaanan ako sa sod. It wasn't because this business, I believe, uh, very legitimate, and we've been talking about that when we take pride of this business. So at the beginning, everything felt unfamiliar. Kaya unsa gyud digital business oy, unsa man nagong affiliate marketing, unsa man na siya. Kaya ang atong naandan, mamaligya ra jud ta. Mangagni ra jud, "Uy, palit ka ani, palit ka ani." Never the digital, never working in the online space. So simple things already felt scary, like para na ako along the way. So we need to create ads. Kung baan ba ka na mag-click-click dia sa Facebook, mag-click-click dia sa Instagram. Ay, asa mo ko mo adto mag-create ko og ads. Unsa man ni? Daghan ba ka na sa kana when you create ads, daghan kay kag tangtan-awon. Nya, kuya biyag masayop ka. Well, para na ako kuya ko masayop ko. So clicking links and learning systems, watching tutorial videos, laoy, asam ko mo-click ani, asam to dapit. And aside from that, contacting people around the world because this is global. So asam ko mo tanaw. At that time, bisag Bisaya or kay ba kung Bisaya na sila, mauwa pa man ka, moingon nga, "Uy, kanang unsa pasabot ani kay ignon pa nagkagbugo." Di ka ganan bi ana. So really asking questions was fearful and putting myself out there on social media. Hala, sa unang panahon, mag-share-share naman ta. Uy, di ko, musuwat anang akong feed diha. Kay cool ba? Scroll-scroll ra gyud ka. So putting myself out there, no way of say. So doing my labi na ni karon sa unang panahon, off the record, we're just talking about, hala, kano sa lang man ta nakatunog go live, like a year or two? So doing go live, ha, kakulba